Make a great choice today with the 2020 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.